Hi, this is Anthony Godino with a tutorial on how to set up Google Analytics on Blogger. So if you go to Google and just type in Google Analytics, the very first search result you'll see Google Analytics. Just click on the link, it's going to bring you to its home page, and then just click on this button that says Access Google Analytics. Okay, once you do that, it'll ask you to sign in. You will need a Gmail or Google Plus account. I've got a Gmail account, so I'll just enter your Gmail account, your password, and sign in. Once you sign in, if you're creating this Google Analytics account for the first time, you won't see anything in here. I've already set up a few, so that's why you see these three here. These are the three accounts. So what you want to do is, when you're creating a new account, go to the admin link, and again, you're not going to see all these things here if you're setting this up for the first time. But since I've already set my thing up, it's showing up here. But this is the way it works for Google Analytics. Okay, so you create a Google Analytics account, and under that account, you create separate web properties. So in this case, for example, we're creating one for Blogger, right? So maybe you've got 3 blogs under Blogger, right? So if you want to keep track of all those 3 blogs separately, then what you do is create one Google Analytics account for Blogger, and then under that account you create separate web properties. Okay, so that's the way it works. That's why here you've got 3 columns. This is the account section, this is the web property section, of course that's the view section. Since I already have one set up for Blogger, okay, these are the 3 I've got set up here. What I need to do is I don't need to create another account, but in your case, if you're creating an account for the first time, what you would do is click this link here, create a new account. But like I said, in my case, I already have a few blogs set up on the Blogger, so what I need to do is create a web property. Okay, the process is pretty much the same thing. So I would click this link right here that says create new web property, and up here make sure you've clicked on the website option, and then down below is where you enter the details of your blog. Okay, so enter the name, the URL, choose an industry, and the time zone. Okay, so I've entered my details in here, or the properties, or the details of my blog, and then just click the Get Tracking ID button. Once you do that, it's going to generate a code or tracking ID. You need to copy this the code. Okay, I'm going to show you what you need to do with this. But it also generates a snippet, an HTML sort of code. In some cases, you need to actually copy this HTML code, and paste it into your web page. Okay, but for Blogger, you don't need to do that. All you need to do is just copy this ID. Okay. So as you can see here, it's already set my thing up in Blogger. Okay, this is the new one that I've set up. As you can see, it's right here. So what you need to do is log into your Blogger. Okay, and like I said, I've got a few blogs, but this is the blog that I'm blog that I'm setting up for Google Analytics. Click on this down arrow. Okay, and you will see this options here. Choose the settings link, and then right here under the settings menu, choose other, and down below right here is where you'd enter or just paste that code, okay, as such. And once you've done that, click the Save Settings button, and then that's pretty much it. Once you log into your Google Analytics account, you'll be able to track analytics, traffic, and whatnot for that specific account. It takes about 24 hours to kick in, so I just set mine up. Obviously, your blog will need to get traffic for you to see any results here, but that's the way how you do it. Okay, so I've got a whole bunch of other tutorials that I'm going to be doing on Blogger. For example, how to edit edit blog posts, how to create pages on Blogger, how to change the blog layout, how to customize your blog, and how to monetize your blog with AdSense, as in how you make money, and of course this specific one that I've created for Google Analytics. Alright, so feel free to check back in, and hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.